The Easthides Group was established in 1992 by its chairman, Jeffrey Gluckman. It is today regarded as one of the top hide-and-skin organizations in Europe and is well known and respected throughout the world. Initially, Easthides built a worldwide network trading in hide-and-skin markets. Early in 1999, a strategic decision was made to shift the focus and grow from a purely trading organization with irregular supply lines to a company in possession of its own secure, reliable, and regular sources of raw materials, a more competitive, customer-driven company. This decision ensured consistency and quality, which we consider our two top priorities. In the CIS, our factories are situated in Lviv, Ukraine, Almaty and Petropavlovsk, Kazakhstan, and Gatovo, Belarus, which is a joint venture with the local government. Each factory uses the raw materials supplied by the region where the factory is located. Moscow is the headquarters of Syria Leather Group, the subsidiary of Easthides Group in the CIS. The tannery in Petropavlovsk, Kazakhstan, was bought in July 2000, and a mere year later, in 2001, they updated the state-of-the-art enterprise steamed ahead after 6 years of redundancy. At the present moment, the processing capacity of Syria Pet factory is 350 tons of raw cattle hides per month. It also has capability of producing lime-splitted grains. Its experimental workshop is a scene of uninterrupted tests of new chemicals and invention of innovative products. The factory specializes in processing of cattle hides and horses' hides, employing Italian technologies and quality benchmarks. The warehouse and raw hides distribution center is situated in Almaty. The plant in Lviv, Ukraine, was acquired by Easthides Group in 1999. This purchase enabled the group to set up manufacture and sale of the top-notch wet blue leather, unrivaled in the CIS. This manufacture center mostly deals with cattle hides and pigskin. This tannery has a capacity of processing 550 tons of cattle hides a month. The manufacturing center in Belarus is one of the biggest and most modern in the CIS. In 2001, Easthides Group bought in a substantial stake in this tannery. At the present moment, we are approximately processing 1,000 tons of cattle hides per month. This tannery is also capable of producing lime-splitted grains. The produce is mostly sold into Europe and Far East, while the raw hides are purchased in Belarus and Russia. This tannery is also well equipped and capable of producing substantial quantities of crust and finished leather. Upon delivery to the factory, the hides are immediately sorted, depending on their weight and quality, in strict compliance with international standards. After classification, the hides are trimmed and stamped. Then the consignments are dispatched to the shop floor for further processing. First, they undergo the soaking process, then comes the liming process. Besides this, due to the treatment with special chemicals, the leather grows thicker and becomes more elastic. For this purpose, we only use Italian chemicals and technologies. Our special laboratory tests are imported chemicals and their components. Our experts also prepare special solutions used in final product quality control. It's in this laboratory that the physical, mechanical, and chemical analysis of the final product is carried out. After soaking and liming, the intimidated product is flashed by the flashing machines through supervision of technicians who also select out low-quality hides. If necessary, the hides are split, then are divided into production consignments that are dispatched for further processing. The hides are put into drums, where they undergo delimbing, washing, pickling, and tannage, followed by treatment with antiseptic chemicals to avert the onset of mildew and fungi. This is also supervised by qualified staff in charge of throughout continuous control of the highest quantity, texture, and quality. The tanning cycle takes 24 hours. The resulting intermediate product called wet blue, which then goes into the sewing machines, the smoothed leather is sorted once again into 5 categories, depending on its quality and measurement. The highly qualified Easthides staff are perfectly experienced in the classification process, so as to enable the customer to choose the category best suitable for the manufacture of the client's product. The precise size of each piece is indicated on its reverse side. After this, the manufactured leather is splitted into desired thickness. The leather is then shaped. The final thickness of the product depends on customer's requirement, and it may vary from 0.09 to 1.6 millimeters. As our prime goal is the unconditional satisfaction of our customer demands, we are capable of producing thinner and thicker varieties. Then the hides are trimmed once again and put into dyeing drums. It is then put throughout setting and sewing machine. It is then dried and passed through staking machine, resulting product, crust leather, is sorted once again, implying strict quality control. To make finished leather from crust is once again sprayed with finishing chemicals. Easthides Group has also launched the construction of a new tannery in Almaty. It is envisaged that it will process 66 tons of raw hides a day, employing 180 staff on 10 hectares of land. Constancy and quality are our priorities. In the CIS alone, we employ more than 600 people, united by one company for other 100 companies to invariably rely on our product. We can offer you materials consisting of the number of hides that you need and of the quality that you especially need and the origin that you require. It is only possible because our company is not just one of those agents on the market, but a solid manufacturer that really cares about what its clients desire. Our finely tuned logistics system is a highly convenient geography of warehouses, ensure instant response to your order. Little wonder, we do care about your time and your confidence. Imagine the consistency and quality that you can always rely on. Easthides Group, one group with a world of resources. Call us now.